You've probably heard of intermittent fasting, but what's new in 2025? Is it still effective? Are there better ways to do it? In today's video, we're diving into the newest science, best timing strategies, and even what to eat when you're not fasting to get the best results. Let's break it down. First, let's cover the basics. Intermittent fasting, IF, means cycling between eating and fasting periods. The most common method? The 16-8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. Others include 14-10, more beginner-friendly, alternate day fasting. OMAD, one meal a day. This is not for everyone. In 2025, researchers are digging deeper into precision fasting, personalizing your fasting window based on your chronotype, early bird or night owl. They're also finding that women may do better on shorter fasts, 12-14 hours, due to hormone sensitivity. Morning eating windows improve insulin sensitivity more than night eating. Time-restricted eating combined with protein-rich meals supports lean muscle mass and fat loss. The takeaway? One-size-fits-all fasting is out. Personalized timing is in. Fasting isn't just for weight loss, it's amazing for blood sugar control. By reducing the frequency of insulin spikes, intermittent fasting can lower fasting glucose, reduce insulin resistance, improve A1C in people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. But if you're diabetic, talk to your provider before starting especially if you're on medication. What you eat matters just as much as when you eat. Fasting all day just to binge processed carbs won't work. Focus on protein, chicken, eggs, lentils, fiber-rich carbs, quinoa, beans, sweet potatoes, healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts, gut-friendly foods, yogurt, kimchi, berries. Want to track your food, fasting windows, and blood sugar all in one place? Check out my diabetes and weight loss journal below. In 2025, intermittent fasting is smarter and more personalized. If you've tried it and didn't see results, it might be about how and when you're doing it. Download the digital diabetes and weight loss journal below. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more real health content that works in real life. And remember, health isn't just about eating less, it's about eating smart. See you next time. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share. To get the food journal download, go to https://payhip.com/b/unq. And thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you to understand about fasting for weight loss and diabetes. Disclaimer: always consult with your physician before beginning anything new to your medical care.